Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best drawing app for iPad illustrators by comparing Procreate and Adobe Fresco. If you're looking for the best drawing illustrator tool as an iPad user in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Adobe Fresco is a drawing and painting app part of Adobe's Creative Cloud subscription, launched in 2019. The great thing about Fresco is that if you're already familiar with Adobe programs, you'll find it super easy to use. And as of October 2024, Adobe has made the app completely free. Fresco has two types of grids, graph and perspective. You can customize each grid for your needs. On Fresco, they also have something called drawing aids. It is the fastest way to draw circles, squares, or polygons. The shapes are built in within the app, so you can easily draw or fill in any of these shapes. Adobe Fresco's interface is pretty similar to other Adobe programs. If you're already used to Photoshop, Illustrator, or any other Adobe software, you'll find it easy to navigate through it. Fresco stands out in gestures and shortcuts because they have the touch shortcut, a circle on the lower left of the screen that you can use to change the behavior of some tools. For example, if you're using a pixel or a vector brush, you can tap on the touch shortcut and it will turn your current brush into an eraser. With Adobe Fresco, all the files are stored within Adobe's cloud storage. The great thing about this is that you can then open your files on Photoshop without much hassle, since it syncs between the devices that you have connected to your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. You don't have to worry so much about backing up your files because it's all saved in the cloud, unless you want to remove your files from Adobe's cloud. Procreate is a drawing and painting app that works exclusively on iOS devices. It was first released in 2011, but its popularity really grew in 2016 with the launch of the iPad Pro. By 2018, the Procreate Pocket app, made for iPhones, became one of the best apps of the year. With the rise of iPad Pro and iPad Air, many artists began doing their work digitally in the Procreate app. Procreate's interface is much simpler and easier to use. It really is made for artists and for drawing. It is not distracting at all. Procreate has set the standard for a lot of gestures we can use on drawing apps. Gestures such as two-finger tap to undo, pinch to zoom, and quick pinch to fit screen have become so easy to use and are available on both Fresco and Procreate. Procreate saves all of your artwork locally on your iPad. Because of this, you have to make backups of your files to iCloud or any other cloud storage services that you may use. Use Procreate if you have an Apple device such as an iPad, you're trying a drawing app for the first time, or if you have the budget for it. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.